Guys, you might be taking all COVID appropriate measures, but if you're still using currency notes, know that you are at a risk of contracting the deadly coronavirus. So here's a step-by-step procedure of going digital using digital payments via Google Pay. Now, the first thing that you need to do is download Google Pay and open it. Google will then ask you to punch in your phone number and email address connected with your phone number. Tap on accept and continue. So verification process will be on, and once verified, Google will ask you for a security lock for the app. Choose between two options. Either you use your phone screen lock or you create a separate Google PIN. Then click on the new payments tab, give access to your contacts. Once you click on it, you will see four options. Now there are four ways to use Google Pay: via your bank account details, via your phone number, UPI and self-transfer. So in this video, we'll be using the bank transfer method. Then tap on add account. You'll see a list of banks. Either scroll down to see the bank of your choice, or you enter the bank name in the search box and select the bank name. Verify then using your phone number. It will show you your bank account details and will ask you to press continue. It will then again lead you to the four payment options. Click on bank transfer. Then it will ask you to enter your bank account that you wish to transfer money to, the IFSC code. Now, if you don't know the IFSC code, either you do a Google search, or if you don't want to do a Google search, type the name of the bank, the branch name, it will automatically show you the IFSC code. Then comes in the recipient's name, your name, and then feed in the amount that you'd like to transfer. Add a note if you wish to. Then pick a bank account that you'd like to use to make this payment. Tap pay. Then punch in your UPI pin and click submit, and your payment will be done. Now this process might be seeming slightly lengthy, but remember one thing: you are just setting up Google Pay on your phone. So the first time is always lengthy because you have to connect your email, your phone number and your bank account details. The next time you use Google Pay, it won't be as lengthy. It will directly ask you to use one of the four methods to transfer money.